Hi everyone, I'm Amy. Today I'm making Pineapple Pretzel Delight. This is an easy and delicious dessert that has a sweet and salty combination. So let's get started. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees and take a 9x13 baking dish and spray it with nonstick cooking spray and then set it aside. Crush enough pretzels to make 2 cups. Now place them into a bowl. Now pour on 3/4 cup of melted butter. Then add 3 tablespoons of sugar. Stir this together well. Now press the mixture into the bottom of your prepared dish. Now bake in the oven for about 8 to 10 minutes. Then remove from oven and place it onto a wire rack to cool completely. In a mixing bowl, add 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese at room temperature and 1 cup of sugar. Now beat this together until it's smooth and creamy. Then fold in 1 8-ounce package of thawed whipped topping. Now spread the mixture over your cooled crust. Now chill this in the refrigerator for about 15 minutes. In another bowl, add 2 20-ounce cans of crushed pineapple drained and 1 3.4-ounce package of instant vanilla pudding mix. Stir this together until it's well combined. Now spread this evenly over your cream cheese mixture. Now place this back into the refrigerator to chill before serving. And here it is, Pineapple Pretzel Delight. And you can decorate the top with maraschino cherries if you like. And be sure to store this in the refrigerator. For this recipe and many more, check out my website at amylynnskitchen.com. You can also find me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Now, just place this back into the refrigerator to chill before, yeah. What am I saying? Did I do this right? What'd I miss? Now place this back. Now, then wait a minute. Now, wait a minute. Now spread the, then place your crushed pineapple, crushed pineapple, crushed pretzels.